Hi, this is Loredana Nicolae from NNC Services. Do you know that lead generation actually is a key growth challenge for most companies? So Prospex.ai, which is a tool for generating sales assisted by AI, actually put together a study where they interviewed 750 executives in small and large companies to understand what are the differences and what are the challenges in generating leads from small to big companies, right? What they found is that actually lead generation is a challenge for most companies. This is not new. You know that I shared before how Gartner also found that generating growth is a top priority. But what's interesting is that 58% of all companies indicated the lead generation is actually a key challenge when it comes to how you can develop the business, right? And over 40% of all these companies, no matter if they're big or small, describe their business current sales and marketing efforts as being outdated, right? Not to mention that 59% reply and track conversation via spreadsheets, and that 43% rely on cold calling that's actually not effective. We've put together a coaching program, an 8-week coaching program, very intense, experiential, where together with a select group of people, we actually work in generating leads with modern technologies. This is all backed up by data, by studies, by best practices. We will equip you with tools and the knowledge and everything that you need, and we will also help you get accountable and get into a process of generating leads in the digital space, right? So remember the myths that we covered about a couple of weeks ago, right? This is all debunking the myths. This is all getting to practice, getting to lead generation. Do register for the B2B Prospecting Academy. We only have a few seats left. This is a limited time offer, and I'm very excited to present to you this amazing coaching program that we've put together with our team. We're doing lead generation for hundreds of B2B customers, and we've done that successfully for many, many years for small and big companies. So do please register. I look forward to working side by side with you.